Come on, you a good fish. Don't be a dick.
Oh! Oh. He needs some milk.
Alright guys, I'm gonna try to catch up with some fish before I get to raining. I done went back to one of my favorites. Haven't fished Googan baits in a long time, so I went with the Googan jig, the Googan crawl, I'm sorry, on a jig. And then I also have this pole here on the Texas rig, so that's all I'm rolling with today. And I'm gonna get down there because, as y'all can see over there, the storms are brewing, and I better get in where I fit in before the storm catch up with the kid. So I'm gonna hop to it. I'm gonna get down on this pond, and we're gonna see if we can get physical. All right. Up first, this little destination here. This destination ain't bad at holding some fish, so I like this side better anyway. We will look a little clear over there. Let's see if we can make it do what it do. All right. Woo. Right out the gate.
Nope.
Oh, he got off. He got off. That's okay. Okay, that's okay. I ain't set the hook good enough. Wasn't ready. That was not a bad fish either. Alright, here's another one of my spots that I'm decently successful at. Let's see if we can make it another successful day today. Somebody done pulled this big tree out. They must have getting tired of getting hooked up on this tree. This tree was sitting here minding its own business. And bang. Oh, you don't play with me like that, buddy. Do you want it or no? Do you want it or no? Came back for it. Still didn't have him hooked good, but he came back for it. Love fella. You can't go nowhere, buddy. Oh, he came back for it. Still didn't have him hooked good, but that's all right. Let's get some more. This one's a little too small for me. Gosh, I mean, I wonder if that was a snapping turtle. Came from underneath that. That ain't a bad one. Came from underneath that. All right. That ain't a bad one at all. Healthy. Very, very healthy. Came from right under that grass mat. All right, let me get this guy back in. Whew, not a bad one there. I mean, he fat, look at him. He eating good. I don't know, it's about 1.5 pounds. We looking for bigger boys though, so let's get it, man. Let go. That ain't gonna cut it though. I'm not even recording. Wow. Yep, that ain't gonna cut it. Oh, you'll get something bigger. They always sitting where you are at. Oh, I'm not leaving. I'm just. Well, you guys got the good spot over here. I hear you.
Bruh.
Huh?
You got a couple of babies?
Nope.
Babies.
No, I mean, okay, I get good bites, right? And I wait until it's completely under, and I give like a hell of a yank, and he's got it, and then he lets it go.
Oh, you'll get him. You got to stick with it. And whoever's birthday it is, happy birthday.
Aw.
Oh, damn. I'm finna.
You'll get him. You too. Just got to be patient. You'll get him. Come on. Come on, you're a good fish. Don't be a dick.
Oh!
Oh. Well, we're comedy. I'm known for comedy. Yeah, I just tripped over that log. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. That's a bust my ass. Oh my God. People, thank you. That's what I needed in my life. That's a good fish. This only happens to me. These kind of things only happen to me, guys. Wow, guys. Wow. Wow. Thank you. Wow. Wow. You gotta be me. More epic funniness. Something always happens with me. It's just inevitable. It's just inevitable, guys. What in the world is going on? Let's see what we got here. Can't see. I see 111. That's what, oh, let me see. What is that? Take these glasses off. $111. Almost a 2-pounder. He looked bigger than that a little bit. I thought he was close to a 2. That's a good fish though, man. Especially for this pond. I'll take it. I mean, I ain't want to fall and bust my ass to get it, but you know what? Stuff happens. Watch this. Watch this. There's some birthday girls down there. I'm gonna see if they want it. I'm probably gonna let it go. They ain't not keeping this fish, but I'm gonna let them go on this side. Maybe some bigger ones on this side. See, I told you I was gonna get him before you get down there. You should have seen the one I missed. The one I missed was humongous. Yeah, and I keep. Oh, it's the same one, huh? Yeah, I had a big one. It just broke my line immediately. You guys should be moving up in the shallows anyway. It's getting evening time. What the f was that? What in the f was that? To break me off like that? Well, you know, some big grass carp in here. They like 50 pounds.
Damn, that's what I want. That's a good one.
Yeah, that's a good one. You're not keeping these, are you?
No, we don't have. I don't have anything. I don't got any gear to keep.
All right, I was
At
gonna.
this point, birthday girl has to get some gear. I do. It's bullshit. Her bestie has
Oh,
to
look!
Oh no, there it is. Shit.
Beer?
That is good.
Oh, how cute. He's gonna be good eating.
Yeah, I'm not gonna keep him. I'm gonna let him go right here. Maybe I can catch him.
That'd be great. Put him right. Oh. You feel sorry for us. Oh, we appreciate that.
Good. Oh, no, 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 no. Let's not do that. Let's not do that. I work too hard for you, but I mean, you ain't the biggest, but I worked my tail off for you, so I'll put you over there with the rest of the little guy. Alright. Again, not the biggest fish. I say that a lot, don't I? It's not the biggest fish, but it's a fish. And it's been a little bit of a grind. Got a couple good ones. This is not one of them, but I did get a couple good ones, so I'm gonna put him over here in the smaller pond because it's that's where the little guys dwell. I like to take them from that pond because they got the bigger fish over there. and then put them over here.
Rubbing it in now.
No, I just need to put them over here with the littler fish.
That's not fair. You know what? I probably need to switch. That's what it is. I'm using live bait, and I need to get my jigs out. And I need to straight up do that. That's my problem.
I'm surprised y'all not catching them over here though. It's your birthday. They know it.
I know. It's my friend's birthday.
You should-
catching more than me.
You should have said it was her birthday and you would catch them all. All right, ladies, good luck. Happy birthday.
Have a good one.
You too. Oh, if you're down here, I'm always down here. All right. I think they're trying to flirt with me, people. I think they're flirting. Oh yeah. Here comes the dreaded part here. This damn hill. I tell you what about this hill, boy. This hill is different. It's too much. It's doing the most. And it's abusive. But I'm gonna tough it out. I need to exercise. Alright. So that ends my day today. I caught quite a few fish. One decent one. Maybe two decent ones. I would say two decent ones and some dinks, but you know, this is a pond close to the house. Somewhere to go fishing and do things I love to do. And that's fish. So, you know, you can't go everywhere and catch 5 and 6 pound fish. You know what I mean? Sometimes you just go places where you catch fish. Today, I caught fish and had a good time and got some fresh air. So, look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Tell me that ain't ridiculous. After a day of walking around ponds for hours and hours, then the last thing you see is this hill. Whew, boy. I got football practice in the morning. But we gonna brave it. That's what I do. Ha. Ready? Let's get it, man. Let's go.